welcome to the Finance 360. Today we are joined by Mark Phoenix, CEO of Sankari. How are you feeling today, Mark?
Very good, thank you. It's a big day.
Would you want to walk us through the groundbreaking ceremony today
Sure.
and tell us everything that happened today?
Yeah, sure. So we're developing 63 ultra-luxury apartments here, designed by Foster & Partners. So we've gone through a process in the last 2 years of design, getting the piling ready, excavation, etc. And we've awarded the contract to our main contractor, who's ABM. Very, very happy to get them on board and to partner with them for this project. They're one of the top construction companies in Dubai, in the region. They've been here since 1974, done some very prestigious projects. So we're very happy that such a prestigious contractor has sort of faith in us as a developer to work together properly. And so for us, we have a very different approach to property development. So in about 18 months on this project, we will have 2 fully finished apartments. At that point, we might decide to sell. It's up to Dr. Sankari if he wants to continue financing the project or he would like to sell, or we will see. We're not in a rush. The project is fully financed from Dr. Sankari. We don't borrow money, actually not allowed to borrow money. And we have this approach of, as it's our first project, we'd like people to see what we can do before we start trying to sell some dream through some pictures. So it's you have to be confident to do that. You have to be sure that what you're actually going to deliver is what's shown, because you're not selling these things off renders. It's going to be off finished units. But also for us, we can see property keeps going up in price. So we're not sort of desperate to sell. It's, one option is to sell, use customer money as part of the financing package to build the building as well as bank financing. For us, we're not really required to do that. We're not looking for that cash. We have enough anyway for the project. So if the time is right and the prices are right at the time that we have some apartments, we may choose to sell, or we may just choose to go all the way through to completion.
30 years and then 18 years of living in Dubai. How have you seen the real estate landscape change over the years?
Well, I think, after the global financial crisis, everybody was saying that it's over, Dubai is over. But I think anybody with any sense knew that real estate is a long-term business. And if you manage businesses or you buy real estate with a short-term perspective, then you will always have an issue as things go up and down. But if you take a long-term approach, generally real estate has always been an excellent investment anywhere in the world. And you have to just look at the fundamentals of Dubai. So leadership is amazing, infrastructure is amazing, the world's best airline, every sort of positive indicator to show that Dubai will continue to be a place where people will want to come and live. And I think that COVID really showed people that if they weren't living in Dubai and they came here, that they should live here, because it was managed better than anywhere in the world. So a lot of people that I know coming from the UK couldn't believe that we could even go to a restaurant. And for us, we were locked down for maybe a month. But then with the attitude of Dubai is, let's get on with it, let's manage the risk but push ahead. And I think that really spurred a huge population increase where people realized that actually maybe this place is better managed than where they are. So for me, I feel like there's a very positive trajectory. There's a lot of people coming here and a lot of people that are sort of self-sufficient, have capital, are able to raise capital, looking for real estate investments. So I think it's set to continue for some time, as long as population continues to increase. But if population continues to go up by 400,000 to 500,000 every year, then there's a inbuilt demand on the development sector to deliver probably 40,000 units a year. And even now, development sector is not delivering that many units. There's still a shortage. There's always the reports saying, this year we will do 70,000. It's not going to happen. They're already missing. It's November. We know what's going to be delivered this year. So even to keep up with the number of people that are coming, we need 40,000 units, and we need schools and hospitals, and it's a big task. But Dubai is rising to the challenge.
But according to you, in your perspective, which area is the most conducive to new developments today in Dubai?
Well, it depends what you're looking for. So if you're, it depends. If you're a family and you're looking for a villa, then inherently you're going to move a little bit further out, because that's where most of the villa development is happening, sort of outside the 611 is kind of the new area of Dubai land. So and it depends if you're looking for off-plan or finished. So if you need something finished, then, and you need a villa, there are lots of villas that you can buy. But if they're closer to sort of center of Dubai, they're quite expensive and they're finished. But if you wanted to buy off-plan, all of these areas around the 611, the sort of D54, this kind of area, Dubai land, is kind of the next area where villas are going to come up. Apartments are coming up everywhere. So if you're interested in being around downtown where the action is, Business Bay, DIFC, downtown is perfect. And there's a lot of product that you can either invest in off-plan or get finished product. So it depends on your lifestyle.
And also, do you think that the new development that's coming to Dubai very soon, which is Elon Musk's Dubai Loop, do you believe it will have the biggest impact on property values with accessibility?
I'm not sure, because certainly you see property prices have increased when the metro was announced. So when the metro was announced to go through Silicon Oasis and around this area, there was some pretty high price increases around those areas, because accessibility is always an issue. And the metro gives you another option. So most people drive here, but having the metro there is always good as well. So it just depends how it will work. How exactly it will work and where will it go.
Let's come back to Sankari. Tell me, Mark, how the projects at Sankari are also contributing to Dubai's broader economic goals, especially under initiatives like Dubai 2040 Urban Master Plan?
I mean, for us, we're doing this residential building here, which is the Regent Residences, Sankari Place, which is ultra luxury, managed by a 5-star hotel. So it services a certain clientele. Our prices will start around 50 million dirhams for an apartment. But there are a lot of facilities in the building, and it's managed by a 5-star operator. So sort of clientele for this project are looking for a very luxurious lifestyle that they know they have to pay for, but you have to deliver on that. We're also doing some very, very high-end villas on Palm Jumeirah that are under construction, again for a similar clientele. And we're doing a number of villas in Al Fajr that are under construction, which will come out next year. So we have about 1.2 billion of villas in Al Fajr, some standalone and some townhouses. So at the moment we're developing land that we purchased a long time ago. So the family purchased this land years and years ago and have been waiting to find an opportunity to develop it, because they never wanted to sell the land or do a kind of partnership with a developer. So these are the projects that we have. We're looking for more projects. We just bought a new project close to the 611 to do a gated community villas, small number of villas, maybe 100 villas, that we just started thinking about design on. And we might even sell it off plan. We're not sure. We like our model of not selling off plan, but we might test how it works and see, is that something we're interested in, or we will just continue to finance everything ourselves.
So lastly, Mark, how is Sankari differentiating itself from the rest of the developers in the market?
Well, I think not selling off plan and not focusing on marketing and borrowing money and leveraging very highly and gambling. We don't do any of that. So we're not gamblers, and we're self-reliant. So we don't start something we can't finish, and we don't start something that we don't have our own money to finish.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much.